at the ripe old age of 19. Jordan Staal sneaks in, cuts, holds onto it, tries to wipe it. He does. Off Luongo, off the goalpost. Nestrashil, a follow-up, handled by Luongo. Brickley on his backhand, defended by Noah Hannafin, left there for Howden. He'll poke it along, looking for Rocco Grimaldi. Grimaldi plays it well to the outside, holding onto it at a tough angle off Cam Ward, who shut down the short side. Everything's okay for now. Yager in control. In the slot, Huberdeau to the outside. Trading places with Ekblad, he has room. His shot picked off by Cam Ward, as Jonathan Huberdeau had lots of room. By Peary, over the line. Throws it out in front, there's Skinner. Oh, Luongo got a piece of it. Jeff Skinner off the back of the cage and controlled in the blocker without his stick by Roberto Luongo. Even though they did present the blooper feature, we get ready for the second period here at PNC Arena. Canes and Panthers second of 3 this season. Back it goes. Ron Hainsey awaits his shot. Picked off by Roberto Luongo. Hainsey gets to it. Shadowed by Knight. Played here by Jordan Staal. Help from Falk, and out they come through center. Joakim Nordstrom over the line with a shot. Snared by Luongo. Justin Falk now holding onto it. Checked on the way out by Jonathan Huberdeau. In the zone, Versteeg. His shot patted down and smothered by Luongo. Comes back, a good look at Ron Hainsey. Hainsey now as Florida's changing. Through center, Lindholm. Beautiful move. Right by Barkov. Now Versteeg. Across it goes. Luongo said no on Eric Staal. Mitchell off a body off Skinner. Loose along the boards. Huberdeau gets to it. 5 seconds left in the period. Along the boards, Alexander Barkov stopping and starting. Huberdeau shut down by Ward at the horn. Former Chicago Blackhawk with a shot denied easily by Roberto Luongo. Nordstrom out in front. It kicks around. Loose along the boards. Hainsey with a shot read by Luongo. No further play. A steal by Huberdeau, carried in by Barkov to the outside of Falk, who takes away ice. Jonathan Huberdeau on the wall grinding. Alone is Mitchell, and he scores! Willie Mitchell all alone out in front. And Florida finally breaks the ice.
Glad Steckow was good at the beginning of the period on Nordstrom there. On Pesce jumping in.
Moving in, Eric. He'll cut. He's defended by Logan Shaw. They tie it up. Help from Lindholm. Back again, Slavin. Shot off the mask of Luongo. Riley Smith hard around. Falk out of gas, can't get to it. He'll move it across for Skinner. 22 seconds on the clock. Empty net and a goal. Riley Smith, his 11th goal of the season, seals it for Florida.